I am taking the chance and the opportunity right now to actually go to Trader Jen. We need to do some quests with her. We need to do some quests in the out in the burnt forest because we're not getting good loot. We are not getting good loot. And it's really slowing us down. I was really hoping to wait to go out to the burnt forest until after we got the mini bike, but I can't wait. Maybe we'll get and find a radio book out, or not radio book, like a bookstore, and get a bunch of vehicle books or something. Maybe there will be a lot better loot out there because it's going to be a higher tier. So we're going to go out there, and I plan on being out there at least until day 14. So day 12 and day 13 are going to be doing quests out there, and maybe we'll even like look for a new home, and then we'll probably head home on day 14, depending on what we get. Maybe we'll do more quests, but we're going to work on doing some quests with Trader Jen. I took some time in the morning before, as I was getting all set up with the food. I crafted myself a steel club, so we're now stronger. We have a stronger melee weapon, so we are set up and we are ready. It's only a level 1 steel club. It's probably not that much better than my baseball bat, but I think my baseball bat was level 3, so it's significantly better. It's pretty significantly better. So we're gonna stop by at Trader Rect and hand in this generator quest, see what kind of reward we get from that, and then pin and mark our quest to go to Trader Jen and get that dealt with her. Like it's gonna take us a bit to get to her, which kind of sucks because she's about a kilometer and a half from Trader Rect himself. So like that's why I've been delaying going out there. Alright,
If
what
you
do you
break
need,
it,
curmudgeon?
you buy it.
Let's do that. And let's see your
Fine,
inventory
take
real
a
quick.
fucking look.
Oh, I gotta. Oh, that's a choke mod. It's not an actual thing. Okay. And let's see tools. No, doesn't have any tools worth the while. And books. I mean, I just sold him a bunch of these books. Nothing. He's got a vehicle book. Let's just buy it while we're here. That might help us. But other than that, ammo. I'm not going to bother buying any more ammo.
You cheap ass son of a bitch. That's all you're
And
gonna
let's open
buy?
this. We get 2 handgun, 2 armor, and 2 more big hitters. We are pretty high up with the big hitters, which is nice. Now, let's check the quest. Where's quests at? Quests, here we go. Mark. 1.3 kilometers this way. So let's head on over to Trader Jen and see what she's got. I'm gonna head towards the road because it looks like she's a little bit closer to the road. I'm not gonna like go direct with the road, but we're gonna head towards the road. I'm hoping that we can get the vehicle books. That's really what I'm hoping for. Is getting some vehicle books, maybe finding pickaxes. That would be nice. Um, Pickaxes and like an iron shovel and a fire axe and things like that. Like stuff that we should have had already that I don't even think we can craft yet. I don't even know if we can craft the hammer. We might be able to. Let's just look. We can craft a claw hammer. We can craft an iron pickaxe, but we haven't found it, and I feel like we should just find it. But if we don't get this stuff by the end of the next few days, then definitely we're just gonna have to craft it when it comes to it. Giant. Oh, this is a truck stop. Okay. Might have to come back here. Maybe this will be a day 14 stop. If we can find a good farm out here, maybe we can move out here after the Horde for day 15. Please don't tell me she's just out in the middle of nowhere. It really does look like she's just out in the middle of nowhere. Alright, I'm gonna take a look around. There's some things that we can loot in here. Let's see what we can get. I'll be right back with you. Alright, let's see. We get 2 workstation books and an armor book. That's all we got. All we got. Wasn't even really worth it. Let's see what she's got for us. Oh, you can't get into this side. Sticks and armor. And armor Pokemon. We'll just sell that. Hey, Jen.
Greetings, my... Well, that
How you
was
doing?
fast. Nice job.
Do you have any jobs? Anything nearby? Infested, clear, fetch, clear, clear. Let's do that
I
clear.
got a job. Oh, thank goodness. I
Let's
couldn't find
see
anyone to do. I'm sure I have something you'll need.
what you got inventory-wise. On books. Farming, we're done. Armor, forge, let's get that forge book. No vehicle book, of course. Any, tools. 15 lockpicks. I might get those. Iron, fire axe, and a claw hammer. I might buy those as well. When does everything restock? Everything restocks tomorrow. So why not? Just why not? And sure, let's get those bellows as well. We're gonna need all that stuff. Still don't have an iron pickaxe though. 2 armor, 2 heavy hitters, and 2 bow books. Of course, 2 bow books. 2 books for a weapon we don't even use. Being as we're not really gonna be going home, I do have to watch what I grab. I can't be just a loot goblin like I normally am. Let's look at the map. It looks like maybe this is a town. Right here. Maybe she's in between 2 towns. Yeah. This is nice. Rips. God. Swinging this thing is so fast. Damn. Do we have any skill points? I think we used all our skill points. We have 1 left. Can we do another point in the pommel Pete or big and fast? No. And we can't do anything in his strength. And we can't do anything in a grease monkey at the moment. So let's just get more into intellect. Oh, they've changed this place up. Actually, I think this is a different place than I was thinking. You know, now that I have the burning mod, the burning shaft mod, I don't really need the flashlight anymore. Do I? Nice. Where did he come from? Oh boy. Medical book. A lot of the stuff we're just gonna end up dropping or selling. Legendary parts, lumberjack gloves, temper blade mod. Oh, big and fast works with axes as well. That's nice. Really, just an just an armor book. This my loot sucks, man. My loot sucks. Alright, let's go get back to Jen. We'll do one more quest for her, and then we'll drive around town and see what it's like. Let's see, we are to the south of her. So as long as we can get something to the south, I'll be happy. It would be interesting to see what's up to the north, though.
You again?
Yeah,
Good
that was
job.
a quick quest.
I knew you could do it.
Thanks. I don't remember what mods I have on here.
Well, that didn't take long. Nice work.
Let's see. 256 south. 485 south. 430. Let's go 485 south.
Trustworthy. Whoa, this is a dangerous one.
Yeah, there's nothing really worth exploring out here. No bookstores or anything like that. These are like a lot of these POIs are like POIs I've done already back where I was. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. That's annoying. Come on. What do we got in here? Anything good? Give me some good weapon, something like that. Give me a rifle. Basically, we're gonna be selling pretty much any parts that we find, like the robotic parts, unless we can get like a good rifle, which is what I'd really like to have at this point, since we get that bonus to rifle damage. I'll take those vitamins now, so we don't have to worry about getting infected. What? I should save all the chairs that I get. I think I'm gonna have to do that. Just hold on to all the chairs and save them. Save breaking them down until we head home. God, this club, wild. Missed a zombie somewhere? Night Stalker book. What's that do? Meld into shadows, sneak 5% better at night. Oh. Tools. Is there... Did I miss something down here? Come on! Get your stamina back. Rifle book. Big hitters. Armor. Can't use that. I'll take the rest of that. Let's head back to Jen. It would be nice to find a bookstore. That's what I want, is a bookstore. Or just another farm to start making my home. Salvage yard. Maggie's Corner Cafe. Yeah, all these POIs are POIs we've already been to. And already had near our home. I want something new. I want something different. Alright, we'll take a quest that goes up north if there is one. We'll take one more, depending on the rank that we get for this. And we're gonna need to find somewhere to call home. Unfortunately, there's no farms.
Well, hello, friend. How can I help you today? Wow.
Hey Jen,
I
how you doing?
didn't think you had it in you.
Shotgun
Good
shells,
job.
coal, wood. What is all this shit, man? I guess I'll take the Molotovs. What else do you have? South, and west.
Are
We'll
you
just
looking to
do
earn
that
some
infested
boosts?
clear
If
to
you
the
finish
south.
2
There's
more
nothing
jobs
to the
this week,
north.
I'm looking to patch up those wounds.
Alright, we're running an infested clear, which isn't too far back. Isn't too far out. Is this another POI we've ran back at home? It is. This is another POI we've ran back at home. This is insane. This is a bad seed. Guys, let me tell you, what did I do? Farmer nut? Or something like that? Don't do this seed. Come on. Give me this medicine. Easy 1-2 hit. Oh, is there a zombie that I didn't kill up there? Oh, you were feral. I didn't realize you were feral. Oh, you are feral. Alright, so it's... I thought it was radiated Ashleys were on fire. No, it's feral Ashleys are on fire. Anything good in this book? Batter Up, Volume 2. What does Batter Up, Volume 2 give us? Spreading with the club drawn uses 20% less stamina. Nice. So we only have one more. Power attacks increase chance of knockdown. So kill your enemy or fill your stamina meter. So we need one more Batter Up book. I wonder if we can get lucky enough to find it. I'll have to double check Jen's inventory and see if, like, I missed it in her shop. Another vehicle book, good. Robotic drone, tech junkie we already have. And a traps book. Oh, there's a white. There we go. Easy peasy. Urban, medium and heavy boots have no stamina penalty. Let's just, I believe this has no recipes to it. So let's drop that. That's everything. We're not going to search all the cabinets because I doubt she's going to want to buy all the books. Let's just get back to her and just double check and see if she's got a better up book or not. Maybe we can finish all her quests today. I think she had an overnight quest. I don't think I'm gonna bother doing that. Honestly, if we can get the tier upgrade and she can send us to the snow biome, maybe it'll be closer to our home,
We've
and
got
we can just
medical
start doing snow
well,
biome
that
quests.
was fast. Nice job.
Let's see. Jobs. Fetch and
I've got
clear
a bit
to
of
the
a
west.
problem. Oh, I would kiss you, but business. We're
No
open
problem.
from dawn to
Thank
dusk
you.
since, you know, we don't have clocks.
Scrapping. Armor and baseball bat. And let's see your
That's
inventory
it?
one more
No
time.
problem.
Books. Batter up volume 6 because I sold that to her. So no, she doesn't have any batter up books.
You know, a
I'll have
few
to check
things
rect.
turned up missing the other day. You don't know anything about that, do you?
So seeing as how our timing is pretty quick, obviously it seems like maybe we're a little overpowered for this area. But I'm probably going to head home today. These quests were fast. We have not too long, but we have enough time to get back to her and return our loot or return this quest, depending on what this place is. That's that house we drove by, or we rode by. This is a new POI. This is something I've never been in before. But maybe we can get through it pretty quickly. This is I've definitely never ran this before. Another armor book. We'll take the pipes. We're not gonna take that though. There's a cop back here that wasn't part of the POI. It was just a wandering cop. I don't like seeing that green. Or unlocked. We're only gonna loot books here. Really is all. Oh, they took out the stairs. What's this? Did I go the wrong way? Got the satchel. Now we just gotta clear. Armor book. Fireman's Almanac. Forge book. Shotgun Weekly. Oh my god. Where are you at? Are you in here? Okay, there we go. Let's get this loot and get it back to Jen before time runs out. I'm not going to go through the books or anything we have right now, just because I want to hurry up and get back to Jen. That could have hurt big time. Because we don't have too long. But yeah, I'm going to return this stuff to Jen, and then we're going to just head home. I know I said I was going to stay out here. We could take her overnight quest, but I'm not going to do that. We're loaded up. We've got a ton of loot. A ton of good loot. Some good loot. Some decent loot, mostly. Nothing, like, spectacular, though. But now that we know that, I mean, she has a decent-sized town, and the quests were pretty quick. We're gonna run back and forth between there and here. Hey Jen, what do you got?
Oh, hi. Don't spend it all in one place. But if you do, just make sure it's here.
Nice. Workbench, farm bundle 2, lockpicks 10. Complete that. Special jobs.
This is
Trade
the best
routes.
way to get.
Accept.
Okay, be careful.
2.9 kilometers to the southwest. So that should actually send us home. We can get home from here. Home is in this direction, so we're gonna head home, and that shouldn't be too terribly far from home. It might still be 2 kilometers from home, but that would be, I think that's Trader Bob, who is the garage guy. Yeah, that's Trader Bob. So we're gonna go see him tomorrow. But for now, I'm gonna just make my way home and then work on the Horde base a little bit more. We didn't do much work on the Horde base last night. We just repaired it some. So, like, we didn't really get much work done. But yeah, I'm gonna make my way home, drop off my loot and things like that. The books we got was a medical book. Oh, we can't read it while on a armor book, machine gunner book, big hitters, and medical journals. So that was good. But yeah, I'll also be I'll check. I'll have to check Rex inventory at some point to see if he has the baseball bat or the big hitters book that we need. But for now, we're gonna head home. One of these days, I'm gonna come do this POI. This POI looks interesting. I don't think we've done it before. But I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for hanging out. If you like what you saw, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like button so the algorithm knows that people like you will like me too. Subscribe to the channel so you get updates, notifications when I go live and post new videos. And leave comments down below. Hints, tips, tricks. I respond to all comments back. As you can see, I get terrible loot. So comment about how bad the loot rolls I'm getting are. Also, be sure to check me out live, both here on YouTube and on Twitch, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, where I live stream whatever video games I feel like playing. And be sure to check out the other videos I release Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Thank you guys so much. Please be careful, be safe, don't do anything I would do. Always hug your loved ones. And of course, like always, be sure to wear my socks. Like I said, I'm just going to go home, work on the Horde base, and keep recording if anything happens. See you soon.